What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to quickly work with huge amounts of URLs in this video. First, let me explain what it is exactly that I need to do. So I just launched a new course about running a YouTube channel. So I need to go through all of my major videos that have attention and add a link to the course in the description of the video, right? So I need to edit every single one of these videos, and there is 150 of them, okay? So I could just open things like this one at a time, click here, open new tab, pause the video, click edit video, and then get to this page, and then go here, and then do that, or to paste in my new links, right? But that's going to take forever. I don't want to do that 150 times. So what I want to show you guys is how to do it much, much faster than that, all right? So what we're going to do is, our goal is to get every one of these to be open, right? So instead of doing all of them in this video, because I wasn't going to record a video and I was just going to do all 150, I'm only going to do one page worth. So here we go. I'm going to do this many, okay? I'm going to use a Chrome extension that grabs every single URL on the page. So I'm going to click that, and this grabs all the URLs. I don't want most of these. The ones I want are these ones. These are all of my videos. Everything else is links to other videos or channels or comments, right? So we're going to look really quick in Sublime Text and see how many this is. Okay, so that was 61 links. So does that make sense? There's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 50. Yeah, that does make sense. If I keep scrolling down, more videos are going to load. So I don't want to do that because that'll make this video too long. So now we have all of these links, and I'm going to go put them into Sublime Text just like this. And now what we want to do is figure out what we need to do to one link to automatically change it. Instead of being a link to the video, we want it to be a link to the page where you edit the video, right? So let's take an example link here like this and pause this. Oh, no, I gotta make it play out, right? Oh, wait, no, I don't need to. I'm not watching the video. It doesn't matter. What I want to do is I'm looking at this URL, right? And it's youtube.com/watch ? And then this ID right here, and that's your video ID. So what we're going to do now is click on edit video, and we're going to watch the URL and see what changed. So all it seems to have done is add this /edit ? There's a video referrer thing here. Okay. I don't think we need this video referral part. So let's see what happens if we just get rid of this. Did I need to get rid of the question mark as well? Okay, I think there needs to be a question mark right here. Yeah, okay. So all we need is this string right here, followed by the video ID. Is the / part of the ID? I'm actually not sure. Let's figure it out. Okay, so sometimes they do use very weird characters in the IDs. It's always going to be after the equals part, right? So basically, all we want to do is change this watch part to equal, or to edit, okay? So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to copy /edit ? And video ID equals, okay? I'm copying that. Now, what we want to do is go /watch ? V equals, and now I'm going to find this. I'm going to highlight every occurrence of it, and then I'm just going to paste this information in, right? So now, theoretically, we should be able to take these 5 videos and then go into Session Buddy over here, import these, I did 6 of them, I guess, and now open all of them, and theoretically, they will all just load at the edit page. So now all I have to do is load this whole entire list and then just paste the sentence right here, one by one going through the list, which will take a little bit of time, but we just shorten the amount of time by like 80%. And the combination of link grabber and session buddy is amazing for this reason. There are so many times when you're using a computer and you need to open multiple tabs and links that this can really speed up that process. And for me, I thought that this was only useful when I was dropshipping, but I actually use it a lot for YouTube work now whenever I need to edit a whole bunch of videos at once. And it's super, super helpful. And all the experience I got with the bulk dropshipping has led to me being able to kind of bulk work with YouTube videos, which is super useful. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, okay? Ciao.